Hello, guys. Do you hear me well? Yeah, okay. My name is Amos Simantov. I'm a co-founder and CEO with WAY2VAT. WAY2VAT, it's a fully automated platform for VAT reclaim for businesses with an expense management system integrated to that platform. So 2 years ago, my partner and I had a dream. The dream was to challenge the VAT industry status quo by having VAT refund accessible to all. That means the VAT will be on your pocket, not in tax authorities. Today, after 2 years, we established a company. We have about 36 employees. We have offices in London and Tel Aviv, and we got a patent in the US based on artificial intelligence, computer vision, and deep learning. We are the only vendor in the world that has a patent for VAT reclaim for businesses that is registered in the US, and we are about to register this patent in the Europe market shortly, and in the future, about 4 patents in the pipeline. So we're about to have today like more than 40-something clients. Most of them are Fortune 500 clients. We have 5 main investors in the company, 3 VCs and 2 banks that invested. And the market that we are addressing is about $20 billion unclaimed yearly of VAT refund. Tax authorities are very happy from that. By the way, this figure is from Ernst & Young. When you can see the 20 billion, the breakdown comes mostly from travel expenses, some from shipments, deliveries, and some from events or other expenses. And we are here at WAY2VAT to solve this problem. We would like to provide the companies the confidence that a fully automated system can provide them the money that they're entitled for. More transparency, more accuracy, and hassle-free system. So how it works? We call it one click to claim. We are mobile-first system. Employees on any location around the globe, one click on our app, they can scan the invoice. All the data will insert automatically to their app. No manual at all. Once they're done with that and they submit their trip reports and they probably will get their reimbursement, the financial department can start and generate VAT reclaim on 40 different countries simultaneously via our system. So let me tell you an example. I started my journey 10 days ago. I flew from Tel Aviv to Sydney. I spent a few days in Sydney. Then I flew to Hong Kong. Then I flew to Beijing, and then I flew to Amsterdam for meeting, and then I'm here. In my pocket, in my briefcase, I have like 40 different receipts, different languages, different VAT rate, different expenses, and I need to scan them. Most of the expenses or expense management today, you need to scan, and then you need to insert the data manually. We do that automatically at all. Once I don't have any PA will help me doing that, so I need to do it by myself. So I taking the receipts, and regardless if it's torn, stained, or crumpled, any shape, if it's square or rectangle, any currency, if it's yen, dollar, or euro, any language. By the way, we support 30 different languages: Chinese, Korean, Japanese, all the European languages has been supported in that system. Any expense type, if it's hotel, transportation, events, any format. If you have duplicate invoice, the system will alert you automatically. If you have anomalies in the system will alert you as well. Once I'm done with that and I did my trip report, I can get my reimbursement from my employer, and the financial department can do a VAT reclaim on 40 different countries. These are the countries that we do reclaim today. Most of them are in Europe, some in APAC, and Canada as well. The VAT rate runs between 7% to 8%, to 27%. It's a huge vehicle for tax authorities. Bear in mind that each country has its own regulation, its own processes, its own format, its own languages, and we deal with each country individually, and we do it quite well. So bottom line, companies can receive at least 30% more for the current vendors that they are working with. Most of the vendors in the market today, they are offline without any technology or limited technology, and we are the only VAT vendor with a human-level perception. So today we are in the enterprise market, and the AI technology that we are having will provide us to move to other segments like SMB, and down the road for the commercial and consumers as well. We would like to be a one-stop shop for VAT reclaim for the entire market. So all our system, the business model is rev share only. We are giving all this expense management free of charge for companies just to reclaim their VAT. We do rev share. The revenue that we are having this year is 5 times compared to 17. And for the forecast to 19, actually we're going to touch it, $11 million. And for 2020, we're going to be $28 million. And this is just our share from the entire VAT reclaim. We are looking for $10 million a round. We have a commitment for $3 million. My partner and I will be happy to meet you. Aviv is here. Please raise your hand, and we're happy to meet you shortly. Thank you very much, guys.